Do you like making crafts? Today we're gonna show you how to make a super easy and beautiful Christmas lantern with the help of jar and paints.
You'll need a clean jar, remove the sticker beforehand, a rope or a silk ribbon, paints, glue, paintbrush, a pen or a pencil, scissors, a tape, a sheet of paper. Also prepare some decorations. We choose red twigs with berries and shiny stars.
Start with a paper heart. You can trace it from the internet or just draw it by yourself. Carefully cut out the heart. Then put a small piece of double-sided tape. You may also need a piece of tape. Place it carefully on the jar, check that it sticks well.
Then you can start painting. We choose white color. We're gonna have two covers. Let's start with the first one. Wait 10 minutes to dry. Then apply the second cover. We aren't waiting for it to dry to apply some shiny snow on it.
Then wait until it completely dries. Take off the paper heart.
Now the jar is ready to be decorated.
Reel up the rope on the jar neck and tie it tightly. Add the twigs and tie it again. Make a bow. Glue the stars. Look, the lantern turned out pretty cool!
And the final touch. Light up a candle, put it inside, enjoy the Christmas atmosphere!